everyone, welcome back to Lash Therapy. My name is Maria, and in this video, I will be going over how I create my hybrid sets using 0.15 classic lash extensions and 0.03 volume lash extensions. The curl that I'll be using is CC curl, and the length that I'll be using is 8mm in the inner corners to 13mm. The style that I will be creating on my client is a cat eye, and at the end of the video, I will show you guys what this set will look like after she opens her eyes. I do like to start lashing my clients either at the inner corners or the outer corners. I find that it is the most challenging for me, so I like to just get that out of the way first. I personally like to use only Nexcare tape for all my clients, even when I have to pull the lashes back or lift the lid. I find it's extremely gentle, not just for my mature clients, but also for my younger clients as well. I'll leave a link in the description box down below where I purchase all my supply that I have in this video. I hope you ladies enjoy, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and to like this video. Also, please help us reach the 5,000 subscriber goal that we are working hard towards. Once we hit that goal, we will be giving away free tweezers and supply. Thank you so much, and I hope you ladies enjoy this relaxing video. Thank you for watching, and I hope you ladies enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also please comment lash therapy below to be submitted in our free giveaway. I will see you guys soon.